Okay, good morning students. Welcome to our school online classes. In last class we completed example number 12 based on a rectangular part. Okay, now next example, 13 example. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. If they exist, it is very important. If they exist using the quadratic formula, it means first we have to find the roots of quadratic equation. When we have to find if the roots are exist, if the roots are exist of that quadratic equation, if the roots are exist of that quadratic equation, then we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Sir, how we can decide? How we can decide this quadratic equation having roots are exist or not? So ಯಾವ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ this quadratic equation having roots are not, roots are exist or not exist? To decide the existence of this quadratic equation, one method is there. To find the existence of this quadratic equation, one particular method is there. How we can find? First we have to decide the roots are exist or not. So now we can find out. The first example, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the value of a? A nothing but coefficient of x square. A value is 3. B value, what is the value of b? B nothing but is coefficient of x. Value is how much? Minus 5. C value is constant term. Okay. This is common. Okay. Then after substituting this a, c value in quadratic formula, roots ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. But it is for this problem, first we have to decide this quadratic equation having roots are exist or not. ಮೊದಲು root exist ಇದ್ರೆ then we have to find roots. If there is no roots are exist, roots are not exist, then we are not able to find the roots of quadratic equation. Decide ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? This quadratic equation if roots are not, exist or not. Exist means then we have to find the roots. There is no roots, the roots are not exist, then we are not able to find roots. So rank find out ಮಾಡೋಣ, roots are exist or not. One method is there. First we have to consider b square minus 4ac. First we have to substitute the value in this formula, b square minus 4ac, because this b square minus 4ac is the part of the quadratic equation formula. This b square minus 4 is the some part of the quadratic equation formula. What is the value of b? B nothing but minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3, c value is 12, minus 5 is plus 5 square is 25, minus 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24, 25 minus 24 is how much? 1. Yes, root are 1 means what? So simplification will root 1 value banta, no problem. Then how we can decide? If students, if b square minus 4ac value is positive, if b square minus 4ac value is positive, then roots are exist. Negative, no exist. It's a simple way. Roots are exist or not ಅಂತ decide ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು simple way ಏನಿದೆ? First we have to substitute the value of b, a, b, c in which formula? B square minus 4ac value. If b square minus 4ac is positive, roots are exist. Roots are exist. If root value is negative means no, roots are not exist. Positive, yes, exist. Negative means not exist. Sir, 0 bandre, yes, 0. If b square minus 4ac value is 0 means yes, the roots are exist. If value is 0 means roots are exist. It means 0 or positive. If b square minus 4ac value is 0 or positive, roots are exist. If b square minus 4ac value is negative, roots are not exist. Simple point. Question ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾ? First if roots are exist, find the roots. ಅಂದ್ರೆ first we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. If it is positive or negative, positive or 0 means roots are exist. If b square minus 4ac value is negative, roots are not exist. Okay? That roots are exist. Which one are the roots? Roots exist is correct, sir? ಯಾವ roots are the? Which one are the roots? Then we have to find the roots by which formula applying? Quadratic equation formula. Roots idave andre roots exist andre ಯಾವ roots appa? Okay. X minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore x is equal to minus b value is minus 5 plus or minus b square minus 4ac value is how much? Already just solve. Root as it is b square minus 4ac value is how much? 1. Just simplify ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. then 2 into a value is 3. X is equal to minus into minus plus or minus minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus as root 1 value is 1 divided by 2 3 is 6. Okay, therefore x is equal to 1 time plus 1 and then minus 1. 5 plus 1 6 divided by x is equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 6. Minus 1 divided by 6. Therefore, x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6 by 6. X is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 by 6. 6 get cancelled. X is equal to 1. 2 2s are 2 3s are. X is equal to 2 divided by 3. Roots are exist. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 divided by 3. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 divided by 3. This one is the first one. If yes, roots are exist. If roots are exist, then we have to find the roots. If there is no roots, the roots are not exist means we are not able to find the roots of quadratic equation. Okay. Next, second one. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Again, first we have to decide this quadratic equation having roots or not. Roots are exist or not exist. Roots are exist. Then we have to find roots. The roots are not exist. It means there is no need to find roots. So how we can decide? If b square minus 4ac value is positive or equal to 0, then roots are exist. If b square minus 4ac value is negative, if b square minus 4ac value is negative, what it indicates? Roots are not exist. Okay. If roots are not exist, we are not. There is no need to find roots. Okay. Next, first a value a nothing but coefficient of x square. B nothing but coefficient of x. C nothing but it is constant term. Therefore, formula is b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. B square minus 4ac divided by 2a. B value is 4 square. Sorry, only b square minus 4ac. Sorry, b square means 4 square minus 4 into. Sorry, it is 2 is there. It is 2x square. Sorry, it is 2x square. Okay, it is 2x square. Sorry, it is 2x square. Sorry. Only x square. Okay, 1. This 4 square minus 4 into a value is 1. C value is 5. 4 square is 16 minus as it is called minus into plus minus into plus minus 4 1 is 4 4 5 is 20. 16 minus 4 is 16 minus 20 is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 means if b square minus 4ac value is negative. If b square minus 4ac value is negative, what indicates? No roots. No roots. No roots means roots are not exist. When it is possible, if b square minus 4ac value is negative, if b square minus 4ac value is negative, if roots are not exist. Roots are not exist. B square minus 4ac value is positive or equal to 0. Positive or equal to 0, then roots are exist. If b square minus 4ac value is negative, what it indicates? This quadratic equation having no real roots or no roots. No real roots. No real roots. Okay? No real roots. No real roots. No real roots. When it is possible? If root are negative. If b square minus 4ac value is negative. No real roots. If b square minus 4ac value is positive or 0. If b square minus 4ac value is positive or equal to 0, yes, roots are exist. Roots are exist. If roots are exist means then we have to find which one are the roots. B square minus 4ac value is how much here? Minus 4. It is minus means no real root. No real root means we are not there is no need to find roots. Next, third one. 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1. Okay. A nothing but is coefficient of x square. B nothing but coefficient of x. Minus 2 root 2. How much? Minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2. C. What is the value of constant term? Constant term is 1. C value is 1. Okay. Then B value is how much? Minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into A value is 2. C value is 1. Okay. Minus square is plus. 2 square is 4. Then minus square is plus because this square belongs to both 2 and root 2. A into B whole to the power of m. Laws of exponents. A into B whole to the power of m nothing but A to the power of m into B to the power of m. This root belongs to minus 2 and root 2. Minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, root 2 whole square means this one get cancelled into 2, minus because minus into plus, minus into plus, minus 4 to the 8, 8 on the 8, 4 to the 8 minus 8, both are cancelled is equal to how much? Yes, 0. It means roots are exist. Roots are exist. Negative means roots are exist. Negative means roots are exist. If negative means roots are exist. If roots are exist means then we have to find the roots by which formula? By applying quadratic formula. By applying quadratic formula. By applying which formula? Quadratic formula. Okay. A value is 2. B value is minus 2 root 2. C value is 1. A value is 2. X is equal to minus b plus r minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Divided by 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b value is minus 2 root 2. It is very important. If both are negatives, we should represent in bracket. Minus 2 root 2 plus r minus b square. B value is minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2. C value is 1. Okay, divided by, sorry, shall I simplify my output? No problem. Root as it is. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? Just solve it. B square minus 4ac value is how much? 0. Just solve it with 2 into a value is 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus into minus plus 2 root 2 divided by 2 2 is 4. Plus or minus root 0 value is 0. 0 means it is negligible. Plus 0 minus 0 means it is negligible. Therefore, 2 1 is 2 2 is. Therefore, x is equal to how much? Root 2 divided by 2. Root 2 divided by 2. You know, simplify the x is equal to root 2. 2 now we can simplify root 2. 2 means root 2 into root 2. Because root 2 into root 2, root 4. Root 4 value is 2. This one cancel, x is equal to how much? 1 by root 2. But quadratic equation value is how many roots? 2 roots means another one is also 1 by root 2. Another one is also 1 by root 2. Another one is also 1 by root 2. What it indicates? It indicates that if b square minus 4ac value is 0, if b square minus 4 value is 0, it indicates that the roots are same. Both roots are same. Quadratic equation means 2 roots irukade. That both the two roots are same. It indicates both the roots are same. When it is possible, if b square minus 4ac value is 0, then only both the roots are same. Then only both the roots are same. When it is possible, if b square minus 4ac value is 0, then roots. Okay. Next, find the following equation. Find the roots of the following equation. Okay. In this problem, there is no need to find the roots that exist or not exist. Direct, we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. X divided by, so x plus 1 divided by x is equal to 3. X plus 1 divided by x is equal to 3. Okay. Now we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Sir, this is not in the form of quadratic equation form. Yes, this is not in the form of quadratic equation form. First, we have to simplify this one in the form of quadratic equation. Then we have to find roots. Then we have to find roots. First, we should simplify this one in the form of quadratic equation. How? If there is no number 1 is 1. What is the LCM of 1 and x? X. LCM of 1 and x is x. 1 means 1 into x means 1 is there, x is there. To multiply 1 gain multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 into x. X is there, x gain multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 1 x into 1 x. Now x into x, x square plus 1 1 1 is equal to 3. Then cross multiplication. X square plus 1 is equal to 3 into x, 3x. Therefore x square plus 3x becomes minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation, which a value is 1, coefficient of x. B value is coefficient of x. B value is minus 3. B value is minus 3. B value is minus 3. C value is 1. Okay. C value is 1. We have to find the roots of this quadratic equation by which formula? Quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Divided by 2a. Okay. X as it is. X as it is. Okay. Minus b value is minus of minus 3. We should represent in bracket. Minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root b square minus 4 is b value is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is also 1 divided by 2 into a value is 1. Therefore x is equal to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus square is plus 3 square is 9 minus 4 1 is 4 divided by 2 1 is 2. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 is 5 divided by 2. 1 time plus root 5 another is minus root 5. X is equal to 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. X is equal to 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. Roots 1 time plus root 5 another time is minus root 5. Therefore roots are x is equal to 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. X is equal to 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. It is not in the form of quadratic equation. For the first we should simplify. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Then we have to find the roots. Okay. Second one. In the second one is 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. This one is also not in the form of quadratic equation form. 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 is equal to how much? 3. Okay. Again, first one you have to simplify this one. First we should convert in the form of quadratic equation. Then we have to find the roots. What is the sum of x into x minus 2 is x into x minus 2. Okay. X means LCM is x into x minus 2. There is only x is there. What we have to multiply? Multiply by what? X minus 2. X minus 2 is there. LCM is x into x minus 2 means we have to multiply by what? Multiply by only x. X minus 2 into 1 is x minus 2 minus 1 into x. X is equal to 3. Now plus x minus x get cancel minus 2 as it is. X into x, x square minus 2 into x, 2x is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. Okay. Then position of x square minus 2x is numerator goes to denominator means it will multiply by what? Denominator goes to numerator means it will multiply by what? 3. Multiply by 3. We multiply by 3 minus 2 as it is 3 into x square minus 2x. Okay. Minus 2 as it is 3 into x square 3x square minus into minus plus into minus minus 3 2x is 6x. Therefore 3x square as it is 3x square as it is minus 6x as it is, then minus 2 becomes plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Now it is in the form of 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Again, what is the value of a? A nothing but a value is 3, b value is minus 6, c value is 2. Then we have to find the roots of the this quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2n substitution ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then we have to simplify. Then remaining values are the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, this is the homework problem. Okay, last problem we will discuss in next class.